I like to do a monthly review or monthly report of what I used, all my fashion pieces that I've styled severally. And this is another one. Okay, I missed the one for September. I decided to add September and October together. So this is a mix of all the things that I love, wearing things that I had to wear on repeat, things that I couldn't get enough of. That I did more in September and October. So let's get into it. If you're new here, my name is Magdalene. On YouTube, I talk about fashion, travel, and lifestyle. And I do believe if you look good, you feel best. Let's get into these pieces that I wore a lot for the month of September and October. So I'm going to start with bags. So this bag I've had for a while. I got it from a discount store. Hmm. When I first saw this bag, like I always tell you guys, I never knew I could like it as much because it's just one big hole in the middle and this clasp. That's so I was like, hmm. When it comes to my tote bag, I like it to be able to cover up, but this one made it seem like anybody can just have access to my bag. But since I've been wearing it, I've not had a terrible situation because I used to wear it a top handle or a shoulder bag, and of course, this so close to you whenever you wear such bag. So I like this bag. Like if I want to just the extra for my work outfits. This is black and white stripe. This is something that just goes over what I'm currently wearing. It's one of my favorite, and I love what this bag does when I style it with outfits. Then another bag, of course, is this bag. I have a love-hate relationship with this bag. It's the Chloe, or would I say a Chloe counterfeit, which I'm pissed about because I really wish it was a dupe, not counterfeit. But anyway, I like it because when I carry my laptop bag, it sits nicely inside this bag. So I'm like, okay, I still want this bag. This bag can carry a whole lot of things. The fact that it has the clasp makes it nice, but the real quality bag does not have clasp, and this is more like a shopper bag, but it goes different with everything in my look. So yes, I love this bag. I wear it to work. It's not a shopper bag for me, it's more like a work bag, my work tote and all that. So I love this bag. The other bag is this black bag, which is giving me Obo style, but seeing it like this, it doesn't give much. You'll be wondering why am I having this series? When I first saw the bag, I thought it's too, it has no structure and it is more like masculine. But since I've been wearing it, I've had a love relationship with this bag. Really, really nice and beautiful. It fits in as much as possible. It can fit in a laptop, a small size laptop, not really a small size, like a sizable laptop. It fits it inside. So I will stretch for you so you guys can see. You can fit in as much as possible. This kind of bag that you can fit in your work essentials and more. And it's a very nice bag. You can also put your travel essential into during your traveling. With other accessories. So one of my favorite is this scarf. You can see I made it into a headband, which I love. Like I wouldn't have bothered to buy a headband if I know I can create my own headband. Just for you to just tie this, create that shape of headband, and you cover your hair, and that's. I love the way this scarf used to stab me. I wear it as a neckerchief. I wear it with my bags and all that. So this is one of my favorites. Always a fave. Then this jewelry that I'm wearing currently, it's also another favorite for October, November. I left with my siblings when I moved and got married, but now I took it back. You can notice nobody wears it and it's very chunky and beautiful. This jewelry makes me want to get on that chunky choker necklace, which is more like belt too, but that one's still in the pipeline anyway. But this is one of my favorite jewelry. It is nice. I like the fact that it has several colors, so you don't have to worry about it matching with your outfit. So it has several colors, neutral colors, green, orange, red. So you can do a lot with it. This is even looking more like orange, a little bit of yellow. So I love that it has several colors. So it is very simple jewelry that you can just wear, and I love that. Then this scarf, I always use this scarf whenever I make my sleek bun or no bun with my gel. That's when I normally use this scarf. But aside that, I've realized that this scarf can be cool also. I wear it in a video where I made it into a belt. I usually wear it as a belt to work, just to add to my brown outfit. So wearing a brown belt to it, I decided to add something like this. So it's giving leopard, giving brown and black. So actually, I like this particular one. The other accessory I want to talk about that has been a fave is these loafers. These print loafers, which I've bought during the sale, and it's really, really nice. I love the fact that it has so many colors. It goes so well with my look. And actually, mostly I wear it during Friday the dress down because of the prints that are there. I really wish the prints were not so much so I could wear it during other days of the week. So that's why I'm actually on the hunt for something that is neutral tone, classic color. But this one I've gotten enough use for it. So I think I not really want loafers for a very very long time. So I decided to get one to just dip my toes into it. And which other way to wear loafers than to go go big or go home. So now I know that okay, loafers can be comfy. They never go out of style. So definitely I'll be getting more loafers for my work and also for my stay at home. Then this shoe, which is giving me a little bit of MS dupe or similar to the MS slippers. I actually love it. I saw it when I was strolling back home and I saw this slipper. I wanted to buy it in white, but the white was not available in my size. So I decided to go for the red. It has served me for a very long time. So this is perfect because it's plastic. You can wear it when you're going out. When it's rainy, you don't have to worry about switching shoes. The only downside to this kind of shoes is that if you are live in an area that sometimes get flooded, you have to hold it to your leg because it doesn't have that much grip. But it's one of my favorite because I just put it through and go. Whenever I just want to add a pop of color to my look when going to work, and we have agreed on this channel that we're not going to be cheap. And nothing will cheapen our look. We will not wear between slippers out again. So I have to get this and it will be perfect. I bought another one, but that one is leather, but it's already falling apart. That's the issue with that kind of shoes. Most kind of shoes you buy that they'll say that you if you don't sew it around doesn't last. So that's what's wrong with that shoe. But I'm going to definitely get some outfits because what is the favorite without outfits? So first one is this turtleneck top. I got it thrifted and I've had a whole lot of use for it. I've styled it different ways. I haven't styled it to go to Lagos Fashion Week with another off shoulder top. This is really really nice. You should always have a turtleneck top in your arsenal because they are always very beautiful. The fact that I can do a lot with turtleneck, especially in this gray color, makes it very very fun to have. I actually like this. When I saw it, I had to have it because I cannot let it go. And since I bought it, that served me severally, so I love that for me. Then this one I got from Zaful. It's more like a loungewear or more like a sweatpant, but it's not too thick as a sweatpant. So it's more like something you can wear. That period when we are all about our tie and dye and crazy about tie and dye, that was around the lockdown. That's when I also got this one. And this is really, really nice. I've worn this for a while. This is something you can wear when you're going out to run errands, which I love. And I wear it to stay at home because, yeah, except if there'll be a reason to wear it, maybe a Saturday meeting or Sunday meeting and all that. This will could be good for going out, but I've always worn it a lot and I like it. So that's another outfit. And the next one is this gray pants, which I love. It's relaxed fit, it's high waisted, it's my ride or die. Anytime that it gets dirty, I wash it again because I want to get as much use as possible from this gray pants. This gray pants is giving very light weight, so if you know you wear it, sometimes feel like you're wearing something that is white or something. So the color is so unique. It's the same shade as this gray, which you can see both of them are the same shade. So just look like oatmeal gray, and this is like normal gray on cotton, and I love both of them. So this gray pants, as I said, me I even had a look of it where I wore it as a casual outfit, but this is my go-to pants for work. If I'm feeling like wearing pants, I always reach for this. The only issue I have with this, after like 2 years, because it's quite long, and what is pants when it's not as long as possible? You don't want to be wearing cropped pants everywhere. So this, because it's quite long, it gets stained easily and it pick up stain very fast. So that's the only downside to this. But I don't mind washing it over and over again to get that much look from it because I always. So the next one is this knit top. So I like the fact that it has a twist in front. I styled it severally. I've not really worn it out, but definitely I've styled it a lot. So it makes it supposed to be part of my October favorite. I think my October favorite. Yes. So I've styled it for inspiration for Fashion Week. I love this top. The only downside right now is because it's kind of warm. It's a warm knit cardigan. I can't really wear it where I am currently. But if I should travel down to Ogun State, definitely you will need this because of the very cold Harmattan period, which I feel like okay, fine. This is a nice must have. Actually, it's also in fact I can wear it one sided or as off shoulder, because it's giving off shoulder you can see. So that's one thing about this top cello, the versatility of it is something else. So guys, so which of all these monthly favorite is your favorite? My favorite everything, that's why actually they're in this list, especially this very jumbo size jewelry or necklace, which I actually do love. Like if you want to look good or feel good, just dress in a way that makes you so happy and you feel better. So guys, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and that time.